YouTube, we parked at the 7-Eleven. Look what we got, bro. We got a nail in the tire, bro. We got a nail in the tire, man. And the brand new drag radials, we have a nail. And the next day, we got the car in the shop right now. We got the tire off. We paying for Sam's Club membership, you know what I'm saying? They doing it for free, shout out to them. Hopefully there's no issues moving forward. But look at the car, it looks so mean, bro. It looks so mean. Oh yeah, the tire's back on the car right now, as you can see. She is dirty. But the one thing about this diffuser, bro, it gets so dirty. Front diffuser gets so dirty. Oh, that was loud. And there's a spider web, bro. You Kanye crazy, going crazy. It's been so long since I've been at 7-Eleven. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. $50 later. YouTube, they filled it up all the way up to 37. God damn. YouTube, feel like we here every day. Let's see if I can see the plug. You see right here? We plugged up the tire right there, man. Shout out to them for getting my tire right.
Till my day's over. Lee could've been dead and gone, but I ain't talking to Jehovah. Don't leave a witness on the scene. Don't leave a witness on the scene, no. Young nigga, he a dolphin. He got that pipe on him, he gon' blow. Like limbo, I'm getting low. When I feel down, pick my head up like a green light, I'm on go. Niggas starting to get shit twisted about the little bread, it get rolled. Cut him off, nigga, cut him off. It's a whole lot of niggas waiting on me for the fall off, baby. I'ma work hard, grind hard, I ain't got a call off, baby. Don't you hit me with no heavy paper, you wanted my car, Lord, baby.
I got these Mustang mats on Amazon. Use my link in the description to get your mats. You need these mats. Look at this water. It be coming off the mat, bouncing off. Dirt comes right off when you spray it, the pressure washer. Okay, everybody, the Mustang GT is now clean. As you can see, she's shining. I need to take my car to a body shop though, because my car got all these, I don't know if y'all can see it, it got so many white swirls in it, scratches. It looks like it got white paint chips all over it. I also got this scrape on the front lip. My tail light over here, it's like peeling. Y'all see it? Bro, that's crazy. I need to get, I'm probably just gonna get new ones. I wanna get different tail lights. Maybe the Euros. Them white Euros, and then like tint it. That'd be tough. See, I got a scratch on the wheel right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a scratch right here and a dent. That's not even from me. If y'all been watching me since I got the car, this been on the car since day one. See the curb rash on the wheel? Yeah, it's just so many imperfections in the paint. I need to get it fixed. Even back here, you see this? And then I got this right here. It's like tree sap or something. You see it right here? Like, I don't know what it is. On Instagram and all my pictures, car be looking clean. Like even right now, like the car look clean. Hey, if I just get a whole paint correction, bro, this show is gonna be looking crazy. And I did not open it. Pop this hood for y'all. I got the RTD device right there. That's for my tune. Ooh, water coming down. As you can see, that's hot. As you can see, we got the big old V8 in the engine. 5.0. We got the Pmsss intake with long tube headers. Y'all know what goes on. You know what I'm saying? People in the FaceTime call, I'm at the answer. Just got off FaceTime with that boy Dan telling me to get on Discord as me putting up the hood. Now I got a little drama right here. Like, what's up? What's up? I'm not rocking. I need to wash these. I'm not rocking. Yep. Oh, there's a line on the other side too. If I was to get a wrap, y'all, what wrap would look tough on this? Two Mustangs up there. We got the Camaro right here. You know what I'm saying? That joint chopping, can, and they got me over here. We gotta get behind the Mustangs. Come on, Camaro, let's get it. We all lined up. See the crew? We lined up. Camaro getting Mustang. That joint just popping. This joint crazy. Popping like crazy. You know, the Camaro in front of me loud, you know. That joint loud. It's on cam. But I'm over here downshifting. That shit popping crazy. We got 2024 Cam Camaro in front of me. Too much traffic, bro. Saw them lights, you know what that means.
I don't give a fuck what nobody think. I'm him.